Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be washing the rear bumper so that we can start doing the body work on it. So let's get to work. Alright, so now it's time to start sanding the bumper and finding all the areas that need to be filled. Time to fill in those dings. I'm using Dominion SureSeal's bumper repair kit, which comes with plastic filler. You're not supposed to use regular body filler to fill plastic. I know I said not to mix filler on top of cardboard, but I layered the cardboard with some tape so that I can mix on it. Here I'm applying the filler using a razor blade. Here's a close-up of the filled spots. Now I just need to let it cure before sanding flush. And so the sanding begins. Here's a look at the bumper after the first round of body filling. Time to sand the entire bumper down and get it prepped for paint. The bumper is all sanded now. There's a few more dings that need to be fixed. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the rear bumper. It's all done. I had to fill it a little bit more in certain areas and sanded it down. It is all smooth now, so all it really needs is another good wash. And then, I mean, this part is pretty refined. It's pretty good. Just needs another wash and it should be good. I mean, look at, most of it is just sanding dust, but that's how the bumper looks like. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share the videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.